Hello, I am Dr. Shuchi Bajaj. A lot of times my patient ask me that why we have been advised a root canal treatment, why are we not able to save this tooth by a simple filling, and what exactly is a root canal treatment and why is cap necessary after that. So in this video I have tried to answer those questions for you. I hope you find it helpful. First of all, why and when root canal is advised? Your tooth, any tooth that you see in your mouth, all your teeth inside your mouth, they all have three layers. Outermost is enamel, second is dentine, and third is the pulp or the core of your tooth. Whenever a decay, any cavity or decay has already involved pulp, or a decay has reached very close to the pulp, that is one of the most common reason when we advise a root canal treatment. We also advise root canal treatment when a patient is witnessing or experiencing uncontrolled sensitivity. In such cases, we assume that there is a fracture line which is extended to the pulp. Sometimes you may not have pain, you may not have sensitivity, you may have a small cavity, but when your doctor tries to clean it, he or she may see that it is very close to the pulp, and in such situations also they may advise you a root canal treatment. In some situations we also take a dental x-ray, an RVG or an IUPA, and in that x-ray if we see any kind of a pulpal changes, which is the third layer being involved, or we see any periapical changes. Periapical changes are those changes which are seen at the bottom of the root structure. Then also root canal treatment is advised. Now, what is a root canal treatment? Like I said, the tooth has three structures: enamel, dentine and pulp. In this root canal treatment, we clean the pulp part of the tooth structure. We remove entire pulp, and then obviously we cannot keep a tooth hollow, so we seal it off using some bio-inert materials which we call as gutta percha. We use such bio-inert materials to close the pulp and fill the pulp or the core of the tooth structure. When we remove pulp or the core of your tooth structure, that means we also remove blood supply and also nerves which are causing sensitivity to your tooth. In such cases, because we have reduced the blood supply to your tooth structure also becomes brittle, and that is why cap is advised. Just to make it more simple for you, if you have observed that we don't water our plants and it becomes dry, it is prone to fracture. Similarly, when a root canal treatment has been done and all your blood supply to your tooth has been closed, then your tooth becomes brittle. And that is why, to prevent it from any kind of a fracture or damage, we advise you to go for a cover, or which we call as cap, or in technical language it is called as a crown of the tooth. This cap or crown, it basically covers your tooth from all the five sides, which is the right, left, front, back, as well as the biting surface of your tooth. This is mainly to protect it from further fractures. Hope I have been able to answer all your questions. Thank you.